Testing the camera slider in the vertical position. This is a GoPro Hero 7 Black attached to an Arduino controlled slider. Using an iPhone and the GoPro app to see what we're shooting. Let's lift the vertical slider. When it gets to the top, I'll flick the switch on the control panel and it'll go in the opposite direction. Getting close to the end now. There we go. Two simple controls, stop and start, and forward and reverse toggle switch. This is going to be part of my rig for animation. Again, I'll have to stop it when it gets to the end of the travel. My view is I'm always going to be ready and waiting. I'm never going to just let it run. And I'll stop it at that point and flick the switch in the opposite direction so that if I inadvertently switch on, it won't go into the end stops. That concludes the first test of the slider in the vertical position. Second test of the camera slider in the vertical position. I've moved the mannequin closer to the slider for a slightly different perspective. Because I haven't got a preview of the GoPro while it's filming, there is a bit of guesswork, so I guess the key is to take more footage and trim it to just where you want it. I'll stop the camera when it's at the top of the vertical slide, and I'll reposition the mannequin. So that's the slider stopped, toggle switch put into the opposite position just in case I switch on inadvertently. I'm going for a quite a bit closer shot this time. Bearing in mind this is just a test run. Here we go. There's the camera coming into shot. We see the mannequin is almost within touching distance of the GoPro, so it'll be interesting to see what the footage is like.